are the people who are celebrating with us this evening. Our first responders, our tireless teachers, our cultural bearers, second to none, but most importantly as well, our hospitality workers in the city of New Orleans.
Yes, baby girl.
I'm here by myself, celebrating New Year's Eve.
Down to 2021, y'all. New Orleans, are you ready? We are finally about to say goodbye to 2020 and say hello to 2021. As the countdown starts, the Florida Lee will slide her way down the pool. And when she hits the floor, it will officially be
Hey.
2021.
It's just me. Oh, okay. It's just me. He wouldn't play. I'm trying. I don't know if you, I doubt if you can hear mine. Oh yeah? I don't think I can. But anyway, they're honking. Happy New Year!
I sent Glenn to piece of chocolate cake because I'm not the one that I got on
I saw it. It was very good. Looked just exactly the same. That's good. Well, I hated he couldn't be here with me. He had every opportunity.
Oh, well, I can't have his money and tell him to you probably when you want to get the rest of the
Oh, I don't know. We're fixing to go have a big fight. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy New Year to me. Happy New Year to me. Happy New Year. And